Where are we going today? LA Recovery's in the house, patting us up last second. Big shout out to Duck. And we are going somewhere special. Baba Yaga is on a truck, baby. Where do we go? Where are we going? Who knows? Who knows? So we are here with Rusty.
Hello. How are we?
So Rusty owns Arcworks, ARCWORKS.
Yes, I do.
And he has been tasked with, well, he kind of tasked himself because we slid into each other's DMs.
Yeah.
And now we're here.
It was cute.
So what are we going to do, Rusty?
Boost pipes and exhaust.
Okie doke.
Get a nice teardrop coming out the bonnet with a wastegate. What I'd like to do is, I don't know how much room there's going to be now I've seen it, but it'd be nice if you could have the exhaust here with the wastegate in the corner on that side. I think that'd look really nice, but we'll have to see how much room is under there because, well, you've got this here though.
That's all right. We don't need it.
Well, you don't want melt anything, do you? So
Sure.
I am a little worried about that. We'll have to see where we can take it. But yeah, boost pipes, and then a couple of the bits that just need polishing off. Nothing too bad.
What do you think, though, Rusty?
Honestly, I love it. I absolutely love it. I really do. I think you've done a cracking job.
We're getting there, man. Running in less than 2 weeks. You know what? What time are we going to do? First run. First ever time drag racing. Never drag raced before.
What time?
Yeah.
What horsepower are you hoping for?
But maybe 600.
Have you had much experience racing?
Nope.
No.
Apart from the street. I've dumped a couple of clutches here and there. That's about it.
600 horse. I want to say
You won't hurt my feelings.
mid-9s.
What? That's too fast. I'll be lucky to get like an 11, I think.
No, never.
Yes, yeah.
No, never.
The Batman runs 10s. He's front wheel drive, similar setup, same turbo.
What horse is he?
600 stock block, stock head, but he weighs like 400 grams.
Never.
Mid-9s is fast, man.
Yeah. So 600 horsepower in
front wheel
basically
drive,
a go-kart.
Yeah, he needs to go on a diet.
Yeah.
It's a bit heavy at the minute, but
It's heavier than what I thought it would be when we were pushing it in.
it's because he got a big hill. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. There's cows everywhere.
Absolutely.
No cows in Birmingham.
Yeah.
But now we're getting there, man, slowly but surely. Hopefully, I mean, he will do it. He's not on a time limit or anything.
Oh, no, not at all.
It's not.
It's not like we're here at 9 o'clock at night, is it? No time limit.
Is it 9 o'clock at night?
Is it 9
already?
o'clock? It's about
It
that,
is
isn't it?
9:05.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we'll sort it, won't we?
Okay.
But yeah, no, it'll be nice. What I'm wanting to do with it is bring them together on the 45, bring them round under and up through here.
Well, that'd be good.
Whether it works out that way once you get the pipe working.
You can cut whatever you like.
Yeah.
People cut here, people cut that. Cut whatever you need.
Yeah, we'll sort it. It'll be no bother. First things first, when you get 3-inch on the intercooler though.
When I got that, I didn't like them. I wanted these straight. This catches the bumper.
Does it?
Yeah.
How much?
Maybe about that corner. So if it was flat, that'd be wicked. Don't add that to
Might be
the
able to
bill.
sort that. Just take the corner
The bumper's
off it.
in there.
Yeah.
Bumper's in there if you want to have a quick mock-up.
Just put a hole in the bumper. There you go.
I was
Problem
thinking
solved.
that. I was thinking that, but I'm going to get a drag front end eventually, so...
Oh, wicked.
Eventually.
Further down the line.
Yeah. Oh, look at it.
I'm excited to do this. I'm very
I do appreciate it. You know, you came at a very good time. Because I was in talks with a friend of mine who was humming and ahhing. I could just silicon some bits and weld some bits on. And he is a bit busy, so you came at the perfect... I wish you came a week earlier, but...
I wish you bought it here a week earlier.
But life, you know.
No, I saw it when you posted the video putting the engine in. I was like, yeah, that is sick.
Wonder
And
if
it
he
is,
needs
to
any
be fair.
fab work doing.
Yeah, yeah. Let
It's
me know.
okay, it's my first time.
Yeah,
Don't go there.
I've never done it before, but yeah, I'll do it for you.
Fucking send it. Do whatever you need to do.
Yeah, no, it'll be grand.
Full design, cut, chop, whatever. Don't chop no corners. Do whatever you need to. Honestly, just fucking.
Yeah,
If I came in here next week with a big hole in the bottom, I don't care.
great big
As long as
hole.
it serves the purpose.
Just
Wink,
run no
wink.
bonnet. There you go.
Are you allowed to?
Don't need to cut holes in a bonnet if you don't have a bonnet.
That's so true, actually. It's on quick release, the bonnet is.
Is it?
Yeah. So if you just tilt it backwards, you can just lift it up. Smart. So eventually when I do need to tinker on it again.
That's posh.
Which we have to demonstrate because I haven't done it, you know.
What?
Let's push the
have
bonnet
you not?
back. Nah. I'll put them on. Well, I took the pins out this morning. So now if you go back, and they should just lift up. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Do you want me to lift off?
Go on.
Okay.
We'll have it off because we don't need it on for the first part of it.
I've got this resting against my head. It's all yours. It's a heavy bonnet, isn't it?
It is. Oh,
Even though it's been gutted-ish.
What have I got? I've got some carpet somewhere.
I don't care, just put it corners on the floor.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh,
Rusty, yeah. I kind of given up caring about it a little bit.
Don't be like that.
Like, around the corners, I'm like, I don't care.
They are.
Oh, perfect. What's under here? Was there a secret?
No, it was. I was trying to keep it under wraps. Pardon the pun. No, it's a Porsche 944.
Ooh.
And in fact, I'll show it you because
Just
it's
corner.
Yeah, because it's bad. So the guy who owns it. Sorry, I'm halfway through tidying the place up. The guy who owns it paid to have this cage in.
Oh.
And it's bad. Like
Worse than my cage?
oh, way worse.
Oh.
It's not. If you get up right into the corners,
Oh, my days. Look at that.
it's not even welded properly.
It's not. It's no
And-
welds on the corner.
Yeah, and pretty much every joint is like that. It's horrific.
How much did the guy pay?
I didn't ask that question because I didn't really want to know.
Oh, no.
But
Poor chap.
but yeah, so the plan was full cage. There wasn't going to be a certain spec, but it was going to be to a spec, so anything he wanted to do, he could do. And then swap in the 16 valve engine, full exhaust, full intake system, the lot. And then he basically saw a car for sale for less than what this would have cost him. But basically, he weighed it up, and he was going to sink about 50 into this. And then he saw one or something similar, something along them lines, and it had about 100 on it. And it was for sale for 45.
No brainer.
Yeah, so I really don't blame him for it because I'd make the same decision.
True.
But I was very excited to do it. True. So it's going sometime soon. Sooner the better, really, because I've got something else that will take its place.
Many Hondas, all the Honda boys.
All the Hondas.
Send them here.
All
Any
of them.
Honda man. Arcworks specialist.
No, next, what's replacing this should be a Mark 1 Focus.
Okay.
That's having BMW M57 running gear swapped into it.
Oh, full running gear.
Full running gear.
I was trying to just cut around here. My Dremel bits died, and I got my angle grinder out, and the first cut I made went straight through. Can we fix it?
I mean,
Say no.
I'm not a good painter.
I don't care about paint.
Oh, I can weld, yeah.
Weld it, send it down. Happy days. Yep.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Thanks.
Lovely.
I was so pissed. And angle grinder came out and
Get carried away very
seen
easily.
daylight. I was like, yeah.
Yeah. Get carried away
But yeah,
very easily.
you need to kick me out of here before I can think, oh, can I get a bit of this doing? A bit of that doing? Do you like my rust? Have you seen my rust?
You rust what?
Have you seen my rust? You'll know why this car was 300 quid the more you look.
Do you know what you need over that? I think a lovely artwork sticker.
Send
Do grand there.
If you got stickers, put them on.
I will do soon.
Send them on. We're getting there. When you get a minute, have a feel of the shifter. Oh, I love
Oh
it.
yeah, the shifter.
I love it. That was a cow.
There's many. Oh, that is nice. Oh.
When you roll through the gears, man, go on. You're drag racing now.
We're drag racing, are we?
Go on.
Does it have a fifth?
Yeah, it's a fifth, yeah. Should go into fifth. Oh.
Oh.
We'll figure that
I
out.
broke it. I've actually broke it and all. I fixed it. It's okay.
Perfect. I was panic for a second. I was like, ooh.
A lot of panic there for a second.
Oh, no,
it's
the
popping
cable
out.
does keep popping out. Okay.
Ah.
So look, see. No, we're good this side. Okay, that's something for me to sort out.
What is it?
I don't actually know.
Is it catching on something?
The way I've routed my cables is not the best. The way I've come in through the firewall, I think I need to come over a bit. Can you see the way they just bend? I think my cables are a little too long. So just to straighten them up and take a bit of strain out. All I did was get a hole saw on it. Cable on the inside, just gotta be careful about that, so. Oh, me fucking rubber protection. Okay, I've rolled gears many a time. Okay, we'll fix that. Anyway, moving on.
Moving on. Problem for another day.
Yeah, true.
Oh, that day's tomorrow for me. It looks
Happy
much
about the
better
car,
without
yeah?
the bonnet on.
Does it?
Yeah, it does. It is nice, that.
It's my first, man. It's wicked. I love it.
It's sick.
I love it.
It is proper sick.
Yeah, no, this is Rusty from Arcworks, and he is up to the challenge.
Yes, I am.
And we're going to be here in
Always.
in a very long time. I mean, in a very short time.
Very short time.
Come back and we'll see how it goes.
Yes.
Rusty, we
Yes,
love
we
you and
will.
leave you. Thank you very much, buddy.
No bother, pal.